time is 2:53 p.m. and here's how the day unfolded today. It started with the YM, and again, I usually buy in at S1, added S2. S1 was not there, so I started to buy at S2. And usually the normal thing to do is to add to it at the virtual S3, which I don't even have listed, but it'll be here somewhere. But I bought in early. I anticipated double bottom in here, and we're gonna move up from here. I was wrong. Only thing that really saved me today, and I know yesterday I spoke a lot about targets and important to having targets in any successful trading plan. I think the key today is trade size. If it wasn't for the fact that I'm trading micros, no way I would have survived this flush down here. There's no way. An account would have been blown for sure, margin call, whatever. So I bought one here, added in here, and I had to sit through this. I was very close to exiting here. I was very close to a manual stop loss. That's what I do. I do a manual stop loss. I don't. If I leave the computer, I put something in, but I stayed with it, not knowing what's going to happen. Luckily, the overnight reverse repo numbers came out, and they saved me down here. I mean, that was the bottom of it. So bought one in here, added another, held through misery, and finally came back with a profit. I did the same thing with the MES, bought one, bought the second one again way too early, and as soon as I started making money, I was out. Luckily in time before 3 o'clock hits, and the margin changed as well. M2K was a little bit different. I did buy only one because it was late, and it reached S1 after everybody else has been through S2. So I bought one, held it, and that was a decent profit on that one. That was like $120, I think, on one lot. MYM the same way, bought one, added early again, and finally it came through. So I did make about 400 on the micros, but unfortunately I gave back some on a few other things which I'll share now. One of which was the wheat. I did buy a 1 week contract at the S1, and it's taking some heat. It looks like I'm gonna hold it through the weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it. The market's already closed there. And I bought one with the corn as well, and that's doing okay. That's actually up slightly. In here, I did give back on the Twitter calls. It was a loss of about $100, and Plantier calls as well, a loss of 200. So all in all, I'm up for the day, but it just was not an easy day. I know I could lie and say it was an easy, nothing to it. It was just a normal day. It was just extremely stressful. This moving here from here to here is just it was just painful. It just makes you doubt everything you do and the system you have. And the only lucky thing is I've done it long enough, and I've done it enough times to be comfortable with the fact that I'll be okay. I'll just take the loss in here. Worst case scenario, I give 3 or 4 days, maybe a week worth of profit in here, but I'll have another day to come back and continue this system. But I didn't have to do that. It came back and everything was good. Did not do anything with the Forex. Like I said, I made my profit on from yesterday, so that was that. Except until it came close to 850, the calls were at 850 and just completely collapsed from there. I don't know. It's coming back now, but that's not gonna do me any good. Calls already, or they'll be gone in 3 minutes. Expired worthless. Twitter the same way. I anticipated some sort of a news release, and nothing happened there. Apple, I still have the Apple calls, and they're still down, and I'm still holding them. They expire next week, but it's probably moving back up. It moved up with the overnight reverse repo numbers as well. And I'm adding some ETFs here, and we see that probably trade those with spreads, with vertical spreads, calls and puts. Like you see, for this example, XLK. If I had sold some put spreads in here, bullish put spreads, they would have been up big time. But I'm just looking at them for now. nothing here. XLF again, S1 would have worked out okay. SLI would have, I could have sold some puts in here, close in the money, not in the money, out of the money, but close in the out of the money spreads. XLY, it's past S2, could easily done that as well. XLP is way past, so you're gonna have some extreme cases in here, but again, there will be some losses. It's just like any other system you trade. XLP, IYR, and XLC. So a good day. I am up $110 or so for the day, but very stressful day, and I'm looking forward to the weekend.